Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a beautiful and incredibly beginner friendly unit that I received from RPGSHOW.com, and they sent me a curly blunt cut bob which I didn't have to customize at all. I didn't have to glue this, I didn't have to bleach it out. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So I was very pleased that this hair came with a lot of goodies like an elastic band if you want to sew elastic band, a flyaway tamer, and also a wig cap, and also a magazine on how to glue down the wig to your head and all that kind of stuff. So the hair came in this cute wig bag and the hair was packed very well, and this is how the hair looks straight out of the box. And as you can see, the hair is extremely shiny and the hairline already looks bomb. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash this unit with shampoo and conditioner, because you know with curly units, the true curl pattern only appears after you condition it and shampoo it. So that's what I'm about to do first. So I'm shampooing this curly unit right now, and as you can see, the curl pattern is so beautiful. Like the curls clump so beautiful. I'm like, what? And detangling this hair with shampoo was like a breeze. I don't know how that like happened, but detangling was not a problem at all. I didn't have any tangles while shampooing. I didn't have any shedding, like only a little bit, but that didn't even matter because this hair is beautiful. And now I'm just going to condition the hair real quick, and as you can see, the curls already started to clump. I was really pleased with that. And now just a quick detangle with my paddle brush, and also this process went very easy and I didn't have any shedding, just a couple of hairs, but that was it. Now guys, take a look at this hairline, please. Can you see how natural this looks? I didn't have to do any plucking or whatsoever because this hairline is amazing, and you don't have to bleach this because the hairline already comes bleached. And now just some satisfying footage of me brushing the curly hair. And guys, this looks so amazing, right? I don't know, I just loved detangling this hair. I loved combing this hair with my paddle brush because these curls are beautiful, they are shiny, they are soft, and I just can't wait to put this wig on my head and rock this for like forever. And currently there's still a little bit of conditioner in this hair, so I will just wash that out real quick after this satisfying footage. And then I will let this unit air dry until it's 100% dry. If you want to see how I prep my natural hair for wigs, click the link here on the screen, but this will not be included in this video. I will just hop right to the wig. This unit is 100% dry now, and as you can see, the curl pattern is still amazing. The curls, the ends look beautiful on fleek, and I'm going to put a little bit of foundation powder on the lace. That's something that I always do, just so the lace could match my scalp color a little bit more. The reason why I don't have to glue this unit down to my head is because this unit fits my head perfectly, and because of the adjustable straps in the back, I don't have to sew the elastic band onto this unit. And now I'm just going to part my hair, and I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer. That's something that I always do because that way I can hide this line of demarcation and you won't even notice that this is a wig. And that's basically it. Super easy, super like extremely beginner friendly. So I love this unit. This hair is 200% density, so it's really full, so that way it looks so natural and the hairline looks really natural. So I'm very pleased with this hair. I recommend this hair to everyone, to a beginner or a pro. Like either way, you will slay this hair. Like you'll rock this hair like I'm currently doing. Just saying, okay? Anyways guys, check out the description box for a coupon code and also the links to the website of RPGSHOW and also the direct link to this hair so you can buy this exact same one, okay? So you can rock this with me in winter time. Yes girl, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.